Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla.com. Are you tired of turkey and want free stuff on Black Friday? If so, RevZilla's Lazy Rider Payroll giveaway is your ticket. We're going to pay you $250 an hour to look like this all Black Friday and Cyber Monday long. From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll be giving away $250 an hour in TeamZilla cash. Every hour we'll reveal a new contestant's photo at RevZilla.com. If we show yours, you have 60 minutes to contact us and claim your prize, or your $250 in TeamZilla cash goes to the last lazy winner. Enter now at RevZilla.com/lazy and don't miss out on our Black Friday and Cyber Monday absurdity at RevZilla.com.